Hi friends, it's Andy from True Blue Quilts, and I love to help people enjoy, experiment, and excel as they express their creativity with fabric and thread. And one of the tools that helps you do that, express your creativity, is inside this box. It's a special collaboration that I am doing with Electric Quilt, EQ, the producers of the EQ8 software, which is my all-time favorite design tool. I actually years ago laid out this quilt, big and bright, that I've been working on, and I want to show you what's in this box. EQ is sharing with me the EQ4U starter box. This is a fantastic, super exciting package, and the pretty box that they send it in says, "From the quilt in your head to the quilt on your bed." So just it's a design software for your computer that helps you create all those ideas, just like they said. Take them out of your head, put them into fabric form, and eventually get to that finished object that we all so desire. What they have here is their whole package, and I've got a fun sticker to add to my collection, and we've got the EQ8 design software. So this needs to be loaded onto my laptop computer, which I will get some help from my techie husband to do that, make sure I get all signed up. But I have played with the EQ8 software before, so I'm not a total newbie with this package, but I'm super excited to start over with. I got a new computer, I need a new license for the software, this is perfect. And I've got a fun new mouse pad. My other one was getting kind of grungy because it's been around since my daughter was in elementary school and she's at college now, so I can certainly upgrade my mouse pad, and that'll make my days at work so much more fun when I have that happy picture there. So some more paperwork about everything that's included, but this is the fun stuff. We've got a workbook, EQ8 Lessons for Beginners, and I know that I do not use all the features of this great software. I know how to create blocks, I know how to lay them out into a standard quilt, but some of the custom block features and some of the other layers, the quilting and the applique that you can do and plan in EQ8, I need some tutorials, and this workbook is going to be fabulous. Okay, I'm just reading through the details, and there is a simple starts add-on, and here is the instruction page for that. You have to go online and claim that add-on to get it added to your software, so I can do that download. You also get 1 year free of the EQ membership, which is part of their online community, and you have special access to fabric collections, I think. So that is wonderful. And you also have video resources online that help you walk through the different tutorials. So I am looking forward to that. And they have new fabric collections that you can add to your library each month so that you can keep up with all the latest and greatest fabric collections that are released. So I am super excited to get this installed on my computer. I'll have some more treats for you, so stay tuned to the end of this video and learn about how you can start designing your own quilts with the Electric Quilt software. Okay, so I have my EQ8 quick start guide that's got my license ID and password here. So I'm just going to log in. Right here where it says Windows download $0, that's what I want to click because I'm on a Windows computer. Okay, and I get the green password thing in about 30 seconds. Add to cart to complete your purchase and proceed to check out. Okay, and then your account information. So I will enter my, whoops, and we'll use my business email. Yes, that can make changes to my computer. We're loading it up and I can be reading my quick start guide. It's got a good place for you to write your password down, so we'll take a minute to do that. Okay, you have successfully completed the install wizard. And it's opening up. Okay, and now we have our typical welcome screen. Let's design this quilt from scratch. This is all the same EQ8 that I'm familiar with. We'll go to the block layout, easy draw. I want to change my block height because my little bit different blocks are 6 by 9. So I want 36 snaps vertical, and then horizontal I want 24 and 36 for my horizontal and vertical. And then that gives me, I can take my straight lines down here. I'm making myself a 9 patch for my, you're going to see my stretched star block that we are using in the Happy 250 pattern. And this is exactly how I make that block. And then I can come over to the color tab and I want my basic colors. And let's see, this looks like a nice happy red background for some of our stars. And then I want to slide over and find my, let's see, is that a good golden yellow? And so then I can use the plus sign to add it to the sketchbook. It comes up, it tells me it wants a file name. So I called this stretched star, we'll do that. And then I want another, I think I chose a lighter blue. I'm trying to remember from my previous, yeah, I did a lighter blue with a white, and so I'm gonna come all the way over, and there was my white. Add that to the sketchbook, and then I can go to my quilt work table and my layout. My blocks are only 6 by 9, so I'm going to use my slider to make 6 by 9. And there's my blues. And then if I use this arrow there, it takes me to my red, and I can, let me go to, what am I doing? My fabric tools, colors. I'm finding a navy blue, and control click puts a border around your whole quilt. So it's just that easy to make a quilt in EQ8. So if you would like your very own starter pack, for EQ for You starter kit, I invite you to fill out the Google form that is linked below this video. I'm running a contest. EQ8 generously gave me this starter pack as well as one to give to a winner of a giveaway, and I hope that that lucky winner is you. So there is a link in the video description below to enter the contest, and winners will be drawn very quickly on May 10th. So happy Mother's Day to all my quilting friends who are moms and celebrating, and what a fun gift that will enhance your creativity all year long.